I'm going to demo the Carolina Attachments Extreme Broom. This is our hydraulic adjustable version. It is also available in a manually adjusted version. This broom is very heavy built with a 3-inch square tubing, 1/4-inch thick attachment frame. It features a powerful reversible hydraulic motor, allowing you to sweep both forward and reverse. The broom comes standard with a leg on each side that is adjustable so that when it is being stored, you can lower the leg to keep the bristles up off the ground to keep from damaging your bristles. The broom is powder coated for a long-lasting finish, and as always, all of the Carolina Attachments products are made right here in America. We're going to go ahead and demo this broom, let you see it work a little bit, see how it works. We'll show you how to adjust left and right both ways using an electric over hydraulic valve.